As we talk about the basic gates design using universal gates, using the NAND gate, so we have to design that three gates, not, or, and AND. First of all, I give the idea about the kit. It is the universal breadboard system. There is multiple system are there. We have only two, that is ground and 5 volt for IC, and this is input line. If the switch is down, that is high. If we give up, it is low, that is 0. And it is the output line. Whenever it glow, that means 1. Whenever it not glow, that means 0. And multiple supply are there, that is plus 15 volt, ground, minus 15 volt. It is not required for this circuit. So first of all, we see there are two breadboards, and we can connect external breadboard. I already told you that the internal connection of breadboard. So we have to connect the IC. You already know the pin diagram and the pin configuration, how we count. This is IC, this is notch. We have to count from 1 to 7 and 8 to 14. So I connect the IC. You can see this IC is connected at where the slot is connected. There is no connection between these two pins. Okay, so, and the notch is at the left side. As we know about the circuit, first circuit is implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. So this is the circuit. X is the input. So we have to take one input. This is input line, and this is called input wire. This is patch cord. We have to connect any of these pin. Here it is connected, and as per the circuit, this connect to the pin number 1 or 2. Okay, I connect this wire to pin number 1. You can see this is pin number 1 is connected, and then pin number 1 and 2 is shorted. So we have to take, this is called single thread wire, single thread. As if we take multi-thread wire, this will not connect to the breadboard. Pin number 1 and 2 is shorted by this wire. Now you can see pin number 1 and 2 is shorted. Next, we have to connect the output. This is another patch cord, and this is output line. We can connect any of these output lines, and this goes from pin number 3. You can see the circuit. This is input, this is shorted wire, and this is output. Next, we have to connect ground and supplies, otherwise it not work. This supply from plus 5 volt. We connect to pin number 14, and this is ground, which is connected to the pin number 7. Now this is power switch. On the power. So what is the truth table? The truth table is, if we give input 0, that is 0, then output will be high. So it is now it is high, and the output is you can see this is 0, and if we give out input 0, then output is high. You can see this LED is glow 0, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, we go to the next circuit, that is implementation of AND gate using NAND. Okay, so what is the circuit? We have to open those all wire. Now this is pin number 1 connection, and another input is pin number 2. So we have to take another patch cord for connection in pin number 2. This is another input we connect is to pin number 2, and output, and pin number 3 and 4 is shorted. Pin number 3 and 4 shorted. Similarly, pin number 3 and 5 also shorted. Pin number 3 and 5 also shorted. And the final output from pin number 6. You can see pin number 6. So this is the connection. These two are inputs. This is output. 3 and 4 shorted, 3 and 5 shorted, output from pin number 6. So what is the truth table says of AND gate? That is, if we give input 0, 0, that is 0 and 0, upper is 0 and lower is 1, then output is 0. You can see 0, 1, output is 0. 1 and this is 0, output is 0, then 1 and 1, 1, 1, output is 1. You can see it. Okay, we go to the next experiment, that is implementation of OR gate using NAND. Here is the circuit. We have to switch off the kit. We have to open all the wires without ground and supply. So what is the connection? First input is go to the pin number 1 or 2. This is the first input. Go pin number 1. Then pin number 1 and 2 is shorted. Pin number 1 and 2 shorted, then pin number 3 and 9 also shorted. Pin number 3, this is pin number 3 and pin number 9 shorted. This is the first connection, you can check it. Now second input goes to pin number 4. This second input is connect to the pin number 4. Okay, pin number 4 and 5 shorted, you can see it, 4 and 5 shorted. Pin number 4, this is pin number 4. Next pin is pin number 5, that is shorted. Next we have to connect pin number 6 and 10. You can see it, pin number 6 and 10. Pin number 6 and 10. Finally, we get the output from pin number 8. This output wire. You can see the circuit. These two are input. which is connected to pin number 1 and 4, and this is 1 and 2 shorted, you can see. Then pin number 3 to 9 shorted, pin number 4 and 5 shorted, you can see. Pin number 6 and 10 also shorted. Final output from pin number 8. Now we switch on the kit. It is 0 0. Then if 0 0, output will be 0. It is 0 and 0 and output is 0. You can see LED is off. If we keep any input high, that is 0 1 or 1 0, output is high. This is 0 1 and this is for 1 0, output is high. And if we give 1 1, output also high. So this circuit satisfies the truth table of OR gate. So whatever I told you, that if we design any circuit, we have to keep the pin number of the gate of which IC we have taken. As this is 7400 and the pin diagram, as per pin diagram we give the inputs of any circuit. This can be OR using NAND, this can be OR AND using NAND, this can be NOT using NAND. We have to give first the input and output pin number of the gate, then we can design it. And the output, you can see all the truth table is satisfied the output. If first of all, I already forget to tell you that we have to check the IC, then we design. As this is 7400, so we have to check the IC. How we can check? You can see, we open all the wire. First you connect 1 input pin number 1 and second input pin number 2, and the output is from pin number 3. Then the ground is connected. Move the extra wires. This is ground, it is connected to pin number 7, and this is plus 5 volt, that is VCC, it is connected to pin number 14. So truth table of NAND is, this is truth table of NAND. If all inputs high, output will be 0. You can check. Okay, this is 0 0 condition. If you give 0 0, then 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. If all inputs are high, that is 1 1, output is 0. Similarly, we can check another gate, that is 4 5 input, 6 output, 10 9 input, 8 output, 13 3 12 input and 11 output. First of all, we have to check the gate, then we design the circuit. Thank you.